In this video, I'm going to talk about the sine rule and the trigonometry. So under the sine rule, we are going to focus on finding an angle. Finding an angle. So what does the sine rule state? That should be our first concentration. The sine rule states that A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. So once we know what the sine rule states, therefore now it means that we'll be able to answer any kind of a question that will come across. We are using the sine rule. So this formula is very, very much important. Make sure that you memorize it, you know it by heart. So now let's go straight to the example. The example simply says that in the triangle PQR, meaning PQR, P is equal to 7.2 centimeters, Q is equal to 4.3 centimeters, okay? And angle P is equal to 50 degrees. Angle P is equal to 50 degrees, which is this one. Find angle theta. So we're interested in finding angle theta. So how do we find angle theta? Using the formula. And when we are given a side plus an angle, we're going to find another angle. How do we do that? So this is how we follow step by step by using the formula. Let's do it here. So we say solution. Okay, so having known the formula, we are interested in finding the angle which is here. So we are told that sine A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. So all you have to do is to replace what we have been given in the triangle. So in this triangle, let me just sketch it here briefly so you can see what is happening. So we are saying that this here is 50 degrees and this here we are told is 4.3, okay, 4.3 degrees, and we are told that this is my P and this is my Q and this is my R, and we are told to find angle theta. So how do I find angle theta? I just have to replace in this case, since there is A here, B, C, I need to change it and put P, Q, R. So we are going to say P is equal to sine P is equal to Q sine Q is equal to R sine R, just like that. It cannot always be A. It sometimes changes to suit the triangle. We have to change the letters. So here we replace. What is my P? Side P, there is nothing, as you can see here. Side P, there is nothing, but they told us that side P is 7.2. So we're going to replace there by 7.2 over, what is my sine P? Sine P is 50. So we're going to sine 50 degrees is equal to, what is my Q? My Q is here, the opposite side is this one, so which is 4.3 over sine theta. My R, I'm not interested in it because there is nothing, as you can see, R, there is no angle and there is no side, so this one we're not interested. We're just interested in these two. So how do we solve this therefore? We just have to cross multiply here, then we multiply sine theta multiplied by this, it will be 7.2 is equal to 7.2 multiplied by sine theta is equal to 4.3 multiplied by sine 50 degrees. So what will be my answer? So I know that I have to divide both sides by 7.2, even this side 7.2, so that I can cancel this 7.2 and this one. I remain with sine theta because we are interested in theta here. So we are going to have this. So you have your calculator. So on the calculator here, all you have to do is to punch the letters, to punch according to how it is here. When it's like this, we are simply saying 4.3 multiplied by sine 50. So we are going to say 4.3 multiplied by sine. Sine is here, the letter is written sine, the word is written sin here, 50. So you press and then you say equal to. You are going to have an answer of 3.293991105, and the whole of this we are dividing by 7.2. So when you divide it by 7, divide by 7.2, you are going to have sine theta equal to 0.45749874. Now, this is not my angle, which is here. This is not the angle. The real angle should be a number greater than 0 this side. There's no 0 degrees angle. So now, how do we find now the same angle? So on your Casio calculator or sharp, there will be a second half this side on the sharp, and on the Casio we have a shift here, and we have what we do. We have the sin, the cos, and the tan here. So these are very important. So how are we going to write? We're going to write the inverse of this, which will give us the angle theta. So we're going to say angle theta is equal to the inverse of sine. Okay, so the inverse of sine is 0.45749874. So how do I find the sine inverse of this one? So I'm going to divide this again to get an accurate answer. I'm going to say, okay, divide 3.29, okay, sine, okay, so we are going to say divide by 7.2, which is 0.4, which is this one. So when you have your answer on your calculator like this, you just have to click on the shift button here, and then click, because there's a sign here. Then you click sign here. When you click sign there, therefore now we are going to have this symbol which is here. Therefore now we are going to say equal to, and we are going to get your angle to be 27. So I say theta is equal to 27.2258247. So this is my angle degrees, but always we are told that when you are writing an angle in your question paper 2, Zambian mathematics, you have to make sure you write it in one decimal place. So in this case, our angle in one decimal place is going to be 27. It's just going to be 27.2 degrees. So my angle for this one, it will be, I'll take it there. So I'm saying angle theta is just going to be 27.2 degrees. So that will be my angle theta. So when you find it like this, therefore it will be easy to even get 4 marks completing your exam. So the secret is on this part here. This is the secret. You have to know that when you reach at this stage, all you are required to do is to write the inverse of this. So how do I write this? We have shift there. When you divide this into there, you're going to have this answer. Don't erase this answer on your calculator. Okay? Don't erase it. Just while the answer is showing on your calculator, just click shift here or second half and click sine, which is on your calculator, sine here, and click equal to, and automatically you're going to get 27.2 degrees, and that will be the answer. Hopefully this was helpful. If there's any question that you may need, just comment on my page and let me know how best I can help you. But this is it all about the sine rule. If you go, make sure you watch the video over and over to try to get the concept. Once you do it, I'll be so glad to give you the questions that you need to answer and make sure you answer them all. Thank you for now.